It's me, Jigsaw, and I'm here to tell you my true story. You know, I'm not a puppet. I'm not Jigsaw puppet for real. I'm John Kramer. Let me to tell you a story. It was 4 years ago, in 2017. Veronica and her friends was in Los Angeles at that time. And well, I was a human. I was alive, of course. I wanted to do a game, but I didn't want to do that. You want to ask why I wanted to do that? I was controlled by my own demon. And then one day, I said to myself, no, I'm not going to do these games anymore. But I felt my pain. I felt pain inside me and all my body. I was screaming. I tried to fight it, but suddenly, my soul, it crawled to my own puppet. I mean Jigsaw. I woke up and I looked at myself and I was just a doll. And when I look at my body, it was corrupted by my own demon. She was actually looking at like me, but in a tall way. I mean a human way. And one of his arm was a saw. I told that story to Veronica and her friends, and they believed me. So we had a war. But we lost in that game, of course. And now, this demon is more stronger, and I don't know what will happen. And you know why? How I'm calling this demon now. I'm calling him Jigsaw Killer. So, I need help to get my body back, please.